Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Yazio. In order to do so, here we are on the App Store for iOS, and let's take a closer look at Yazio. Yazio is a calorie counter and helps you with your diet so that you can lose weight. It's a food tracker. So we can see here in our previews that it helps with fasting and counting your calories, weight loss. You can plan your intermittent fasting. It has recipes and meal plans. Again, we have the intermittent fasting. We've got 20 plus fasting plans, new recipes weekly. You can reach your goal now. More than 50 million happy users. So the best calorie counting app on the market, straightforward and easy to use. Yazio helped me overcome my inner couch potato. Strongly recommend the app. It's perfect for losing weight quickly and in a healthy way. So if that's something that you think you could take advantage of, then by all means, check out Yazio. Seems like it's a good app here for recipes, meal plans, and also for planning your fasting. It's got a very decent rating at 4.6 out of 8.6 thousand ratings. So almost 9,000 ratings, and it has a 4.6 rating there. So that is a strong indication of its popularity and also people's happiness with the app. With the Calorie Counter app by Yazio, you can manage your daily food diary, track your activities, and lose weight successfully. More than 50 million people have achieved their New Year's resolutions with Yazio. Be part of it. So that gives you an idea of what you can expect with Yazio, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.